Now, the Rajasthan political crisis may now reach Supreme Court. Sacked Rajasthan Deputy Chief Minister is currently in talks with his lawyers to challenge the Speaker's notice to all the rebel MLAs in Supreme Court. As per the notice, the MLAs have to file in their reply to the Speaker by tomorrow as to why they skipped the Congress Legislative Party meet. Congress leaders, though, continue their attack on Sachin Pilot a day after Rahul Gandhi's appeal from targeting him. According to sources, Rajasthan government is likely to file an FIR over kidnapping. This comes after family members of at least 3 rebel MLAs allege that Pilot camp has been forcibly restraining them at the ITC hotel in Haryana. Congress's Kapil Sibal, in the meanwhile, has mocked Sachin Pilot over his statement that he will not be joining the BJP. Kapil Sibal added that the rebel MLAs at the ITC hotel in Haryana seem to be on vacation under the BJP's watchful eye. In fact, just yesterday at the press meet, Rajasthan Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot took multiple swipes at his former deputy Sachin Pilot, saying speaking good English and being handsome isn't everything. Take a listen.
कोई अच्छा इंग्लिश हिंदी बोलना, अच्छी बाइट देना, वो सब कुछ नहीं होता है। अच्छे हैंडसम पर्सन जो सब कुछ नहीं होता है। आपके दिल में क्या है देश के लिए? आपका कमिटमेंट क्या है? आपकी विचारधारा, नीति, कार्यक्रम जो है आपकी पार्टी के, कितना बड़ा कमिटमेंट है आपका, ये सब देखा जाता है आपको।
Let's quickly cut across to Anand Patel joining us for more details on this. Anand, a very personal attack, if we could call this. Ashok Gehlot saying things like, just good looks, good English, speaking well, looking good in front of the cameras really isn't everything. There's a lot more that you need to show, what's in your heart, what you have towards the country. That's what is really at test here in politics, is what Gehlot's attack on Sachin Pilot. It's quite a personal attack there as far as it appears. And in the meanwhile, Sachin Pilot also not willing to succumb. He is now taking the matter to Supreme Court, trying to challenge the notice that has been sent to all of his rebel camp.
Well, yes, both sides are sticking to their plan. Sachin Pilot moving to, word is he's moving to the Supreme Court against the notice which was issued to 19 of the MLAs, including him, by the Rajasthan Assembly Speaker C.P. Joshi. This notice was given on the complaint which was given by CLP, the Congress Legislative Party Chief Whip, Mahesh Joshi, on the 14th, in which he had leveled serious charges against the 19 MLAs who skipped 2 consecutive CLPs on 2 consecutive days. And also they issued out statements in the media against the government, against the party, and also they were asking for a floor test. The Congress CLP thinks that this tantamounts to anti-party activity, and they have voluntarily given their membership away. So this is what the notice was, against which we have heard that Pilot is talking to a couple of top lawyers in the Supreme Court, and he might move a petition very soon, because the deadline to reply the notice and appear in person before the Speaker to put forward their side expires tomorrow. So just in case the Speaker goes ahead with this with his punishment or his action against these MLAs, to avoid such a situation, Pilot camp is moving towards legal recourse. And we are hearing that he might move to the Supreme Court. Now, coming to your second, question, Nabila, that the remarks which were given by Gehlot, clearly, this reflects the rift within the Congress party, the rift within between the seniors of the party and the young guard led by Rahul Gandhi. We have seen right since Rahul Gandhi left the president post of the party, the seniors have grown in clout. We have seen election after election, state after state, that how the seniors in the party are again, increasing their hold on the party and the state cadres. You take numerous examples. Just neighboring Punjab, you see how Navjot Singh Sidhu has been completely marginalized, considered to be close to Rahul Gandhi, but he's nowhere in the scene today. Similar thing happened to people like Milind Devda in Mumbai, cut to size. Madhav Rao Scindia is the biggest example, and how he was also sidelined when it came to becoming the chief minister, and senior Kamal Nath walked away with the prime post. So this has been happening ever since Rahul Gandhi stepped down as the party president, all the young guard are feeling the heat, and that is why you see one after the other the young Turks revolting and turning rebellious.
Anand, do stay with us. We do know that the Congress party is trying hard to pacify Sachin Pilot and his camp here. We have more information coming in with that regard.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.